Messy bed.
Huh?
I'm talking to myself.
Oh, okay.
Got my lights around the top. There they are. My table. There's dog food. We've been messy today. The dog usually likes to sleep under the table. He's outside right now. And there's my kitchen setup. My stove is outside. And again, messy bed. We actually have used this as our pantry, and our microwave is on top of the shower right now. We still have to move that if we take a shower. Oh, don't look, we have wine. And then our clothes are over there until the girls come to visit. And then I took the cushions off of this bench so that I could get into the cupboard. And then this is our extra fridge. I do have a fridge down here, and it is being used, but it doesn't stay as cold as this one. And then this is our power station, which eventually will be more organized. And you can see it's nothing fancy yet. Our little lights go double rows all the way around. So we have our little lights all the way around. We don't have any of our accessories yet. We're going to be buying those as we go. We're going to be putting in a track up here on the ceiling where there used to be one for privacy for the loo, because the loo is right here in the middle of the trailer. So we definitely need to have some type of privacy for the loo. And then outside, I have little hanging lights. Can't see them right now, but you can see over there, right there is a little hanging light, and then it strings out along the pole. And then over here we have a little light that strings out along the pole. And then we have our little doggy holding space, little fence around. Does it really keep him in? Probably not. There's our stove and our little upside down now welcome mat, doggy dish for water. Anyway, this is our campsite in River Road Horse Farm on Memorial Day weekend. And this is currently our setup, kind of how we're gonna be for until the girls come. We'll have it set up like this until the girls come, and then we'll have to rearrange that area over there, and they'll be able to sleep over there, and those things will have to come probably in on the benches unless they're not sleeping, and then they'll be stacked back over. So we'll have to move stuff around, but that's what we have right now. We've got some ideas for some little cubbies. So we're thinking about putting a rod over between the hard top on each side here, from here across to there, to hang some cubbies on. I've got some cubbies that'll hang off the back pole. So like right there and right there to hold our clothes in. And a cubby here hanging up. We could actually hang it on that piece right there because that's a hanger, and it would have little places in there to put our keys and our things that we need to keep up with and not lose. And then we'll put a power station down here for all of our phones and stuff. And then we'll probably put a small hanging thing here for toilet and accessories to reach and have for the toilet, like toilet paper and things like that.